Hi there. I wanted to get on here tonight and show you what I finally found. So I have been taking these old altoid containers and turning them into little watercolor palettes. And I wanted something smaller and I saw these and I finally found them. Look how small it is. And I can only fit 5 in there. I saw a guy on YouTube, I forgot his name, but he somehow fit 6 in there. So maybe if I keep playing with it and moving them around, I can fit 6 in there. But how cute is that? And then I also found these tiny little composition books. I found a 3-pack for $1 at the Dollar General. So I could take this little composition book and you can just like glue two pages together to thicken it up. You can add some collage to it and then put some clear gesso over top of it. I used this clear gesso. And then once it's dry, then you can go over it with some watercolors. And that's what I'm going to do real quick. So you could take just this little thing, and I mean, you could fit this all in your pocket. Okay? You could take it to the coffee shop or riding in the car with someone, on the train, on the bus, whatever. So I'm going to open up that. And I would love to find a smaller water brush, but these things are just awesome. Okay, so you just squeeze out some water onto the colors, get them wet, and then just start painting with it. And then to wipe it clean, you just take a paper towel like this. Let me make sure that I'm in the camera. You just take and squirt a little water out and wipe it on the brush until it wipes clear, and then you just go to your next color. And I am going to go to this Viridian, and I'll have to get some magnets or double-sided tape so they don't slide around. I see some people glue them down, but I wouldn't want to do that because you might want to take the pans out and clean them and add different colors. Ooh, that's pretty. But yeah, the gesso helps so that it doesn't like absorb right into the paper. Let's see. And then there's this, what is this? Burnt sienna, I think. Let's see. Yeah, burnt sienna. It's like a muddy color, but I love that Viridian. Make sure I'm saying that. Got the right color. Oh, wait, I'm wrong. That's Cad Red Pale Hue. So this is Cad Red Pale Hue. My bad. Okay, and then you just wipe it off again here like that, see, until it goes clear. Completely clear. It's my favorite way to paint on the go. Let's try this green. This green is really pretty. Actually, I'm going to mix the blue and the green. Oh yeah, now we're talking, because now we've got a pretty turquoise. Very pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. I like how this is laying down on this clear gesso, actually. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Okay, and then I'm going to close that up. Well, whoops. Oh, dear. Oh, I just tipped them all over. See, this is why I'm going to need some magnets or stickies or something. Oh, well, I'll clean it up. Unedited. What you see is what you get. Good, messy fun. Okay, that's good enough. All right, well, you get the point. And isn't that so much fun? And another thing you can take, another thing, look how pretty that turned out. I love it. All right, clean off the brush again. Let me just show you. So it's coming off a little green. Squirt a little more water out. Nice and clear. Voila. Then you can just put your cap back on like that. And another thing that you can use is, these are amazing. So these are called Stabilo Woodies, and they're 3-in-1 water solubles. So you could also go like this and kind of like grunge up the edge a little bit or something. Let's see, let's open this back up a little bit. I don't want it that grungy. But anyway, you get the point. Or you could do a little scribbling. I don't really want to scribble right there, but and yeah, if you don't like it, depending on the substrate you're using, you can sometimes wipe these off. That kind of wiped up pretty good. But anyway, let's try some pink right here. That's gorgeous. There we go. Whoops, that still had black on the brush. Wipe that off. Then you can just smear some of this pink around. Some more pink down here. Fun, fun, fun. And then you can also just use these to mark make. Like if you want to just put some dots like this. Look how cool that is. Cool. Fun, fun. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you can click on the bell so that you get notified anytime I post so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thanks so much and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.